What's up everyone, welcome back. And today I will be finishing my light setup because my LED light bar finally came in. Ooh, it looks clean, but then again I thought this one was spot lenses in the middle and then flood beams on the side, but I guess this one's just all flood. Looks pretty cool. I got a wiring harness, and this came in last week or 2 weeks ago. It's going to be on my roof rack. Anybody was watching my previous video, showed you guys that, and now I got the 50-inch curved LED light bar, 5D lenses. Alright, here's what I got done so far. Got the wire in, same way how I got the previous lights in. Do that little plastic rubber piece right here into the dashboard. That's the new relay for the roof lights or the LED light bar, and this one is for the light pods. See, I get a rig there real quick, see if it works to the LED light bar. And if anyone was watching my previous videos, they would see that this one, how I installed it, it came with 3 wires, but I'm not using the white one because I already have the daylight switch, which is the red one already. So it works by turning on the headlight, which is on, and it works. I hooked it up to the roof rack light. Off, on, it's on, off, on. Ooh, look at that, hella bright. Alright, time to tuck in the wires, and then time to measure the roof rack mounts onto the roof rack. Alright, just got done measuring it, and this is where the mount's gonna go. Right in these holes right here, perfectly drilled. It's gonna be riveted onto the roof rack, and that side's already been drilled. It's gonna be quick, it's getting dark. I'm trying to finish it up. Get last final video when it's dark too, see how bright this LED light bar is. Alright, that's how it looks like right here. Pretty sturdy. Rock solid. Rock solid. Drilled in the holes, riveted on. Steel bracket. It's pretty good. I'll put on the LED light bar before it gets dark. Alright, this is how the wiring is done. This one's for the LED light bar, and this one, it's for the light pods. LED light bar. The wiring is right here. I tucked it in right here so I won't trip over it. This one goes out to the light bar. It's already ready. I'm about to tuck it in through this little crack. When I put on the LED light bar, the switch on and off, wires right here. I already wired it back inside to the rubber piece right here into the dash, and I already connected to the roof rack with the roof lights on, side lights, and that. See, like a side light's still working, and this is the zombie lights, and it's still working. Roof rack will be on just a little bit. I'm trying to finish it before it gets dark. Alright, that's how this sits. LED light bar. Fits flush. I did put it back a little bit so it won't stick out as much when you're inside looking out the windshield. Yeah, look at that, nothing. Everyone else has their light bar sitting right here I didn't want mine to be sticking out so much because I still wanted to look up too. So yeah, there it is. Follow along the windshield line. That is hella clean. Fits hella good. Now to wire it up. Alright, one more test before tucking in all these wire. Finalizing it. Headlight on. Roof light on. Ooh, and it is on. Roof light is on. Let me get all my other lights on. Got the ditch light, the zombie lights, which is the rock lights. There goes the rock lights. My pods. And the roof rack LED light bulb. Ooh, that shit's hella clean. I'm done, boys. Time to tuck in all the wires. Off. Alright, it's connected. Time to heat shrink. All done. Heat shrink. Wrap tubings. As the gap got smaller up here, I did use soap and water, make it go in this little gap. Alright, as you can tell, it's already dark and I am done. How's it looking, everyone? Got my pods, and now my roof rack. Ooh, that shit looks beautiful. Let me turn it on. Switch on. Well, that's already on. Get my pods, the roof rack lights, and the zombie light, my rock light, and the headlights are on. Boy, that shit's hella bright. Ooh, I better turn it off when my battery gets drained. Hella bright. I'm gonna drive out to somewhere, see how far it shines to. Alright, I found a little dark area, but there's a little bit light out. I'm gonna do step by step. This is the headlight. See, barely see me over there. Get the fog light on. Ooh, the fog light's on. Looks way better. And get the pods on. Okay, with the pods, a little bit brighter, maybe. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter. Now let's try the LED light bar. Ooh boy, I gotta raise it up a little bit. When I got time, I'll adjust it, but damn, it does make a big difference. Right now it's pointing down a little bit. Gotta make some adjustments. Gotta point it up a little bit more. Ooh man, that shit looks clean. These are my LED lights. Looks hella nice. Surprised how bright these 5D go. It's only right there though. You need to adjust it. Boom. Ooh, hella bright. Alright, now let's do the rock lights. That's legit. Blue on blue. I'm gonna log on to my phone real quick so I can control the lights. Connected. Oh, look at that strobing. It's a party. It's a party truck. Ooh, I'm loving it. Back to blue. Let's try some music. It's based on, I guess, the music or the sound. Let's see. Oh, it's too sensitive. Yes, I'm listening to my Asian song. It's not even going off the song. Turn the sensitivity down. Alright, gotta turn it down. Now it's based on the song. But ooh, hurts my eye. Gotta go back. Ooh, that shit's hella crazy. Go back. I think I'll just stick with blue. Shit's hella nice. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Time to head on back home. Let's see. Turn rock lights off. LED light bar. And the pods. And then the fog lights. Woo! It's legit, bro. Alright, this is the next day already. I might have to zip tie this down. Yesterday I was in a rush to finish showing you guys how it looks like in the dark. So I just zip tie this real quick, snuck it in here, but I'm gonna have to zip tie that to the main harness so it'll hold it in place. And I have to redo this piece. This one was about 6 inches longer. I cut it so I could fit this in between this gap. Because this piece is way too fat, too chunky. It won't go in this little gap. But the aftermarket harness would fit in easily. So I'm about to do this, put those together using these connectors right here and using these shrinking tubes, heat shrinking tubes, to hold it in place, get it some waterproofing. And yeah, that would be it. And I will be angling this a little bit higher because this is angled way too low. Got the angle alignment here. See how it sits? Yeah, see how the bubble's back here? It's angled down too much, so I want it to go up like right there maybe, or maybe right in the middle, so it gets it a further spotting. Alright, just got done splicing it, connecting it right now. Looks pretty good. But before you guys connect it, you make sure you guys put the tubings in first. I got 2 tubing because these are too short, so I'm gonna double layer it. One going up a little bit higher, and this one will go in and cover that one. I'm gonna shrink the first one real quick. Right there. Let me get a good feel for it. Alright, there it is. Time to shrink this bad boy with a torch. catching on fire. There you go. Easy done. Everybody's be like, "What? This fool's an idiot. He using a torch." Say, yeah, got a heat gun, but didn't want to use a heat gun. This way is faster. Put this up place. Alright, now the second one. It's gonna go right here. Bam. Complete. It's gonna be clean. Yep, right there. Get my torch real quick. Little blast in here and there. Bam. 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 All done. You hit it all over the place. Sure to turn this off too. Off. Alright, now it's time to tuck it in. Oh yeah, since it's in dry weather condition, make sure you hit this up with some soap and water. It'll slide in way easier. Some Windex, fill it up with some soap and water. It's gonna work good. Alright, all done deal. All tucked in now. Looking flush. I use this, my tuba exchange. I didn't use that one, but I used the plastic tip. Slowly push it in, run it down, pretty smooth. Goes in a hell of a lot easier with water. A little bit of soap and water. Goes along in here, under this. Run behind this, or actually under it. Along this, under this little plastic piece, down here to the relay. All said and done. All said and done. Now, time to angle my LED light bar higher. Because pointing at the ground too much, about 30 yards probably hitting the ground. I want that goal to be like 100 yards before it then shine on the floor of the grill.